Hello, this is Paul with another video, and this is going to be a challenge video. And this challenge is going to be show 5 pieces that you actually wheel swapped. Your customs, they could just be wheel swaps, whatever you want them to be. Show 5 cars or trucks, whatever, that have been wheel swapped. There could be more if you want, but I just thought I'd make it easy and make it 5. So the first one here is this 1960 Chevy El Camino. I wheel swapped with these green lowrider rims on this Matchbox. And eventually I'm going to detail the front end. I haven't done that yet. That's the first one. It's 1960 Chevy El Camino. Let's see here. Okay. And the next one that I wheel swapped is this one. It's 1965 Chevy Impala. These custom lowrider rims. And this model is actually a first edition model. It's the first version that came out. And I noticed these tampons on the hood are a little off. But that's okay, I actually have another one. And you switch the base with, see if the graphics are better. So there's the 1965 Chevy El Camino. From Hot Wheels. And actually the rest of these are going to be all Hot Wheels. And here's the next one, is the Bone Shaker. Painted in this burgundy color, and put these awesome classic hot rod Brunei wheels. Make it like a classic old school hot rod. On this Bone Shaker. And there's a little tow hitch because I actually made a trailer for this, but I didn't bring it out. So there you go. The third one in this wheel swapped challenge is the Bone Shaker. And the next one is this is a Nissan Maxima drift car. These awesome rims on it. Didn't do anything else to it. As you can see, the rivets are still in there on this one because these wheel swaps, you don't have to drill it out or anything. Just pop the wheels off and pop them back on. So there's the Nissan Maxima drift wagon. And I'm going to do a little detail on the front there. Give it some headlights and detail on the back. So there's the fourth wheel swapped piece. And this last one is a Lamborghini Countach LP 5000. And yeah, there's no wheel swap. This is the same thing. I didn't have to drill out the base or anything. You just take the wheels that were on there off. And then you just pop these on. And I just thought, let's see if we could get this to focus. There we go. I just thought these rims looked better. So there you go with the Countach LP 5000. Let's see, get some light on the subject. And there you go, number 5 in a collection of wheel swapped cars. And there's the challenge. Show off 5 cars that have been wheel swapped. It's a quick, easy challenge. Hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully a lot of people do the challenge. Be awesome to see what you have out there. And please like the video and please leave comments, because I read them all. And we will catch you at the next video. Bye.